How to make a Toblerone cheesecake with Frangelico and Baileys.
G'day there drinking buddies, Scotty Boxa here for DrinkLab.org, your home, thousands of free cocktail recipes. You guys loved the last Baileys cheesecake so much that you wanted more, so this here is the Toblerone Cheesecake cocktail. Of course, you know, it's always alcoholic. You're gonna love this if you love Toblerone. And this is how to make it.
For this, you'll need 300 grams of cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of gelatin, 1.5 cups of cream, half a cup of boiling water, 180 grams of sugar, chunks of Toblerone, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of honey, chocolate sauce, 2 shots of Creme de Cacao, 2 shots of Baileys, and 2 shots of Frangelico. Add your gelatin to your boiling water and mix until combined and set aside. Now in a bowl, place your cream cheese and sugar, lemon juice, and mix that until combined. Once combined, pour your gelatin into the mix. Give that a good mix, then add your cream. Mix again to combine. Then add in your honey, 2 shots of Frangelico, 2 shots of Creme de Cacao, and 2 shots of Baileys. Mix again until all combined. Add in your chopped up chunks of Toblerone and give that a mix one last time. Now pour some chocolate sauce around your martini glass, then pour in your cheesecake mix. Top with Toblerone and chocolate. Set aside in the fridge to chill and serve once firm.
And there you have it, the Toblerone Cheesecake cocktail. If you like this, then you're also going to like our Baileys Cheesecake cocktail. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and head over to our website and become a drink buddy of mine so you can keep up to date on all the latest. So go out there, enjoy yourself, don't destroy yourself, and cheers. Now, where's my spoon?